When parang iba na yung pakiramdam niya and she wants to eat the best, you know. She wants to be sweet, she wants to taste sweet food. So sabi niya, same brand, Red Ribbon. So Brother Rico brought lots of mamon. And hirap na si Sister Lydia that time. Pero kumain na siya ng honey. And we're trying to subo the mamon with kape. Eh, hindi niya na talaga makain. She can't swallow, she can't chew, she can't even hardly open her mouth to taste the mamon. So we feel so sad, Sister Lydia. We really want you to eat the mamon. But since you cannot eat it, we're just gonna eat this for you. So all of us were there. We had mamon, you know, everybody from the church, the family. And we ate the mamon. Nakapaligid kami sa kanya. She's not responding anymore. She closed her eyes. But we are like, sabi nga ni Brother Ben, masaya pa rin kami. We're crying with our tears and we're laughing because we had the mamon. And na-enjoy namin, Kathleen, Christine, and we ate all the mamon. We finished all the mamon. Sister Lydia, you know, this is for you. I don't know, I know we have pictures and video of that. So kinain namin si mamon. Enjoy namin. Busog na busog kami. Then we get back to her until like, you know, she's asleep already. So, but we enjoy that mamon. But I know that she was so happy because kahit hindi niya nakain yung mamon, nakita niya na busog kami sa mamon. And I know today, tonight, you will enjoy this mamon. And every time you see the mamon, Red Ribbon, remember Sister Lydia. This is what she wants. She wants something soft. She wants something sweet, you know. And if you can eat it with kape, it's much better. Okay, let me call Brother Ben.
Buksan nyo na ang inyong mamon. Sabay-sabay tayo magpuntos. Wala mo nang kakain. Sabihin ninyo kung bukas na itaas na ninyo inyong mga mamon. Mamon. Wow. Video, mamon. Video. Okay, let's have a toast. Mamon toast for Sister Lydia. Okay. Cheers. Cheers, mamon. Pusin natin to. Gawin natin ng mamon. Habang tinatawag natin, Pastor Mamon. Pastor Chan pala.